CARES Act funding for small businesses has run out. Leaders are now looking to state and federal sources. As we told you earlier in the newscast, South Carolina is seeing a spike in COVID-19 cases as well. And tonight we're hearing from a low-country firefighter who knows about the battle against the virus firsthand. He just returned from a trip to Wisconsin where he helped some of the sickest coronavirus patients. WSAB News 3's Andrew Davis has his story.
His job has taken him to Louisiana, Texas, and even to Puerto Rico to deal with natural disasters and the patients there. This time, though, Captain Jonathan Bills went the different direction, up north to Wisconsin to help with the COVID crisis.
Until you actually see how easily and how rapidly it spreads, you really can't fully grasp it.
And Hilton Head Fire Captain Jonathan Bills got a first-hand look at just that in Medford, Wisconsin.
To see a small community hospital like that, that had only, I believe, an 8-bed ER and a 12-bed med-surg unit be full of patients and be moving so many patients through the system at the time was surprising.
It's a town of only 4,000 people in a county of 20,000, but more than 1 in 5 residents had contracted the virus. An EMT by trade, Bills to triage, helped treat the patients, got a longer hands-on look at just what the virus can do after they came to the hospital for help.
You prepare yourself before you go in because you know you're likely to see certain things or certain negative patient outcomes.
The captain had to switch his own PPE 50 times or more every day during 12-hour-plus shifts, all to relieve some of the pressure on the staff there who had been fighting it every day.
If we had the same population percentage of exposure here, our system would probably be overwhelmed.
Back home now, Bill says he's brought experience back with him and a new perspective and respect for the virus.
Kind of makes you reevaluate what's going on in our community. Are people being mindful of the CDC guidelines? Are they being safe? I think it makes you just more aware of what's going on around you.
Bill says if he took anything away from this trip, that some things like masks, washing your hands, and following the experts' advice could be the key to fighting back this virus and making sure he doesn't get deployed again, or we don't need even more help to battle it right here in the Lowcountry. Andrew Davis, WSAB News 3, on your side.